Wow! Today I've brought a good story, the wonderful story. Wow! Joy story. It's all about the three servants. It's all about the three servants. Welcome, my friend. The kingdom is like what happened when a man went away and they put his three servants in charge of all he owned. The man knew what each servant could do, so he handed 5,000 coins to the first servant, 2,000 to the second, and the 1,000 to the third. Then he left the country. As soon as the money had gone, the servants with the 5 coins used them to earn 5,000 more. The servant who had 2,000 coins did the same with his money and earned 2,000 more. But the servant with 1,000 coins dug and hole and hid his master's money in the ground. Some time later, the masters of these servants returned. He called them in and asked what they had done with his money. Then the servant who had been given 5,000 coins brought them in within the 5,000 like a benefit that they had earned. He said, "Sir, you gave me 5,000 coins, and I have earned 5,000 more." Wonderful, wonderful. His masters replied, "You are a good and a faithful servant. I left you in charge of only a little, but now I will put you in charge of much more. Come on and share in my happiness." Next, the servant who had been given 2,000 coins came in and said, "Sir, you gave me 2,000 coins and I have earned 2,000 more." Wonderful, wonderful. His masters replied, "You are a good and a faithful servant. I left you in the charge of only a little, but now I will put you in charge of much more. Come on and share in my happiness." Then a servant who had been given 1,000 coins then came in and said, "Sir, I know that you will hard to get along with. You have you don't plant and gather crops where you haven't scattered the seed? I was frightened and went out and hid your money in the ground. Here is a very single coin." The master of the servant told him, "You are lazy and good for nothing. You know that I harvest what I don't plant and gather crops where I haven't scattered the seed. You could have a little just put my money in the bank so that I could have earned the interest on it." Then the master said, "Now your money will be taken away and given to the servant who have 10,000 coins. Everyone who has something will be given more, and they will have more than enough. But everything will be taken from those who don't have anything. You are a wonderless servant, and you will be thrown out into the dark, where people will cry and grit their teeth in pain." Thank you. That is my good story. What did you understand? So make sure, comment.